Now the another question of the same exercise we will take. Here the question that they have given, the question is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter per second. So here we have this is a plot, this is the length, and this is the breadth, and this is the area that is given for it. So now what we have to do, we have to convert the in equation. So equation of length they have given. Let's assume L is the length. Let's assume L is the length, B is the breadth of this one, this rectangle. Okay, so length and the breadth we have given, and what it said, length of the plot, what it said, length of the plot is equal to 1 more than the twice of the breadth. So we have, this is the twice of the breadth, so twice of breadth. Okay, and what we did, we add 1 in it. So then what we will do, we'll get the breadth over here. So this is the equation 1 we find. So now area of a rectangle is equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that we know. Any doubt in this one? So we know area is equal to length into breadth. So what we do, we will put the value of this length from here. So we know area of this rectangle is 528, and length is equal to 2b plus 1, and we multiply by b because b we have, breadth is already we have. So we'll solve this one. How we will solve? So we will multiply this one. So when we multiply, it is 2b square plus b, okay, and this is equal to 528. So when we solve this one, we'll bring this that side. So what happened? So we will have 2b square plus b minus 528 is equal to 0. So till this point, what we did, we derived one equation. So we derived one equation. We'll solve this equation. So this equation that we derived, this is the equation that we derived. This is the quadratic equation. What's the name of this one? This is quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. So in the quadratic equation, you have to find the factor of this one. So how we will solve this quadratic equation? So to solve this quadratic equation, you have okay. So basically, the question of this exercise is not to solve this one. We can solve this quadratic equation also, but if you will see into the question is, we have to represent this statement, whatever the statement that we have here. What we have to do, the question is to represent this one, represent the statement in form of suitable quadratic equation. Suitable quadratic equation. So what we have done over here, this is a quadratic equation, because this is equal to a square plus this one ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the quadratic equation. Here b is our x. So you can assume here 2x square plus b minus this is x minus 528 is equal to 0. So whatever we express, this is the quadratic equation. So if I expand this one, basically in the next chapter where we have to find the we need to find the length and the breadth of this one. So we'll calculate now. Okay, so we know what is the sum of okay, let's have multiply this one. 528 multiply by 2. So when you multiply this one, what is the result over here? So this is 16, 1, 4, 5, 1054, 1056. Okay, so this one is the multiplication of A into B, and this one is the addition of A plus B. Okay, so we have to find the value where we multiply, then we get this one. So do you have any number in mind that where you multiply, then you will get this number? Any number? 528. How you will get this number? How you will get this number when you multiply 528? Think. Have you thought?
2 multiplied by 264.
2 multiplied by 264. So what will be the result?
528.
How?
264 multiplied by 2. 8, 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5.
No. Anything else? So
520.
simple way for solving this one is we know the formula x is equal to, so let's take this as an x variable. So we have to find, so we'll say b is equal to, we have minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so what we will do, we'll substitute our value here. So what is the value of minus b? That is minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 into a is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 1056. This one 528 na. So and then we will 2 into 2. So this value is substitute over here. So when we divide here minus 1 plus minus under root here 1 plus, so when we multiply this one, we will get here these two we will multiply, will get this one, we'll multiply it by 4. So what is the value we will get? We will get 4 2 2 4 divided by 4. Okay, so now what we'll do, minus 1 plus minus under root, we'll solve this one, 4 2 2 5 divided by 4. So now what we have to do, we have to find the under root of this one, square root of this one. So let's solve this one. So minus 1 plus minus, when you solve this one, so you will create the factor of this one, 4 2 2 5. Then first of all you will divide it by 5. 5 8 is 40. 2 you will get 5 22. 5 4 ja 20. 5 5 ja again 5. 5 1 ja 3 will remainder 4. 5 6 ja 30. 5 9 ja 45. Then we will get this one. What 38?
13.
13. So 13 13 ja this one, so 13 1. So when 13 multiplied by 5, we will get here 65. 65 divided by 4. So the value that we get over here is now this is equal to b. B is equal to minus. So when we solve this one, minus 1 plus minus 65 divided by 4. So when we solve this one, so let's say let's have the solution. So when we solve this one, the first value will be, when we add this one, so minus will be added, it will become 64 divided by 4. So the answer will be 16. So the one value will be 16. So when we do the minus over here, so plus over here, so this value will be minus over here, the value will be minus 66 divided by 4. So when we solve this one, this will be 16.5. Okay, so we will have two values over here. So value of x is equal to 1 is 16 and another value of x is equal to minus 16.5. Okay, so now with the help of these values, we will consider this as 16. So length is equal to twice of this one, 2 into 16 plus 1. So this is equal to 16 to the 32 plus 1. So this will be 33. So now we will solve. We have length, what we said, we have length is equal to 33. Breadth is equal to how much? How much we have? Breadth is equal to we solve here na 16. 16 only, that is negative na, so we'll neglect this one. So when you multiply this one, 33 multiplied by 16, so you will get the area, and this area is equal to 5 to 8.
Minus 5 to 8.
Not minus 5 to 8. Why minus to 8? That's the area na, this is meter square. So what I am trying to solve over here, so
it's here minus 16.5.
so that we will neglect, this value is, we can neglect na, negative value we cannot consider, this negative value. Got this question?